All right, guys. Mr. Blue back with you. Another quick video. I just want to show you all a few things that are coming out of the shop recently. Glad y'all are sticking in, gaining several subscribers. I've almost gained like 200 subscribers in the last couple weeks. Really appreciate y'all guys tuning in, checking out the content we got coming out. We're getting real close to 1,000 subscribers, somewhere around 900 right now. So really appreciate y'all. First thing I want to show you is a Glock 19 frame, all right, that I fixed up. Customer sent this in from up in Kentucky, and it already had a stippling job on it. It's kind of like a micro dot stippling, but he wanted it fixed because it was like going all the way up here, and it looked bad. Let's just be real here. So I fixed him up. The stippling went all the way up under the slide release. So I took and cut in a nice fresh HD border along with the double weave stippling pattern. This one turned out really nice. It's almost seamless. Each side connects together. You can hardly tell where it begins, where it ends. Single undercut, thumb ledge right here. Try to roll that around. You can tell there's a nice ledge there. Really helps with the recoil management. So there's that. Guys, if you've got a frame that's got a stippling job on it and you want it fixed, send it in to me. I'll be glad to hook you up on that. A package like this, all right, I do charge a little extra just for fixing old stippling, but this guy's gonna get his frame sent back to him. I think I'm charging somewhere around 120 bucks, maybe 130. So check into that. All right, the next thing, y'all seen this gun plenty of times on the channel before. This is one of my personal guns. Looks quite a bit different though. This is actually one of the first guns I ever stippled. All right, this is my Glock 40 10mm. This is the gun I hunt with. If y'all been watching the channel, you see me shoot a deer with this past season. Now we have a nice tiger stripe style multi-cam Cerakote. Have I mentioned we do Cerakote? We do some of the best work for the best money that you'll find as far as Cerakote goes. So a few details real quick. HD border, gator stippling, double undercutted trigger guard, finger index. This is the right hand side of the gun. All right, Vortex Venom. This is a 3 MOA. I really like this sight, guys. Gives a nice small crisp dot. You can adjust the brightness on it for hunting in low light situations or whatever. I really like it. I'm not running any other sights on this one. Don't really plan on it. Don't really need them. On the opposite side, this is your left side. Thumb ledge. HD border along the bottom. Something cool I want to show you, and if you've been watching some of the Facebook videos, you've seen this. This gun is empty. This is my 9mm conversion barrel. I've got all the details in the video about how to do that to this gun. If you notice, this was a stainless barrel, so now it has this case hardened look. So if you got stainless barrels, stainless slides, I can hook you up with this look if that's something you're interested in. All right, I'm running a Lone Wolf trigger. All right, this gun has one of the best trigger pulls you've ever felt in a Glock. I mean, the reset is just unbelievable. That's sweet. Guys, if you want Cerakote, if you want custom stippling, I will hook you up. All right, I actually started the Cerakote on this one, and I was in here working on some framework on a customer's gun, and my man Ryan, he finished this gun up, and he just does. He's an artist. I'm just kind of a wannabe on the Cerakote side. But guys, we'll hook you up. If you want multicam, if you want battle worn, we got you hooked up. Let me show you this real quick. This gun is the Crusader. Guys, check that out. I mean, you've not seen this anywhere, I promise. Check us out, guys. We will hook you up. Guys, I appreciate y'all tuning into the channel. It means a lot. If you get nothing else out of it besides just some ideas, I'm cool with that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you need anything, call us, tnttac.com. You can find us on Instagram at TNT Tactical, Facebook at TNT Tactical. You can direct message me. If you follow my Facebook page, that's Cumberland Gap Tactical Framework and More, that's the name of that is going to be changing real soon to TNT Customs. So that's a direct link. If you want to send your frame in, that's the place to go. So get on Facebook, go to TNT Customs, search that, and that's a direct line to me. All those messages will come straight to my phone, and I'll give you all the details on pricing, Cerakote pricing, how to ship us your gun. I'll give you a quick rundown because people get confused about that. You can send your gun directly to us because we're FFL, and we can UPS it. You have to UPS or FedEx it to us, and we can UPS or FedEx it straight back to you. So it's a pretty awesome setup, guys. If you want some work done, hit us up. Thanks, guys.